I'm cooking ramen. Yay! Yeah, I'm cooking ramen. Just making a video because I'm very bored. And I got some ramen because I'm very hungry. Ramen. God's gift to the world. Look at those noodles. They're all curvy. Ooh. It's all steamy also. Wow. And yeah, got some Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew to go with my ramen. Be careful not to drop my camera in the ramen. Whoa, it steamed up. That was funny. Alright. Oh man. Well. Looks delicious. The spoon is steaming. Here's the chicken seasoning. Chicken flavor. Product of USA. Ramen is from USA. You'd think it would be from China, because it's... Oh yeah. Steamy lens, yeah. Here's the bag I got the ramen out of. Oh, jeez. I spilled it a little bit. Here's the cup. I poured the water into the ramen to make it boil, so that I could put the ramen noodles in and then stir it. I don't even know how long I've been doing this. I might need to put this on for about... yeah, I'll do that. Minutes. And wait a second. Timer. 1, 2, 3. Start. I said timer. No. Bad microwave. Timer. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. Alright, there we go. Steaming. Ah, yes. Ramen. Oh yes, you're probably very bored with this right now. But can you believe? Ramen. Ramen's so good. Comment if you agree. Ramen is good. 5 stars if ramen is good. Yeah. And yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the ramen is boiling. Boiling hot. Oh, it's all steamy now. Well, anyway, yeah. Ramen bag, ramen cup to put the ramen in, ramen seasoning, ramen pan and ramen noodles and ramen water, ramen pan handle, ramen pan spoon handle, ramen bag, seasoning handle, bag, ramen noodles. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, a little bit longer. Let me see. Steaming spoon. And about 138 seconds left. Yeah, 1 minute, 38 seconds. Yeah. Alright. This is Scared Kid 321 making ramen. There's the ramen. You've seen it. And, yeah. Yeah, comment if you agree that ramen is good. 5 stars if you love ramen. Yeah. So, bye. Yeah. Or Mountain Dew. You can do that too. Mountain Dew's cool. I like Mountain Dew. Alright, bye. Yeah. Toodles.